The engine of the old economy is winding down. Europe's factories are slowly powering off, and decades of hard-won prosperity are slipping away. We are watching a continent lose its momentum. Hello, Schwurblers. It's a quiet economic retreat. Soaring energy costs have turned Europe's industrial backbone into an expensive burden. Factories aren't just shutting their doors, they are being packed up and shipped to places where energy is cheap and plentiful. The continent is losing its ability to make things. This is a serious strategic problem. A society that can't make its own essential goods or secure its own energy ends up depending entirely on others. Europe is trading its economic independence for deep dependence, slowly turning into a museum of past wealth instead of a driver to the future. The human cost is huge. Millions of well-paid, stable manufacturing jobs are simply disappearing. When the factories disappear, whole communities start to come apart, and the middle class loses its strongest anchor. This isn't a temporary dip, it's a permanent structural shift. We can't build a future on memories alone. To stay in the game, Europe has to stop managing its decline and start reinventing its strength. We have to rebuild our energy and industrial independence, or accept the future where others write the story for us.